Oh my god, guys, it's finally happening. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. It is a very, very exciting day, a day that we have been waiting for such a long time. Today is the day that we are going to be riding the VelociCoaster. Oh my gosh, I am beyond excited. You can tell by the hat and the Mosasaurus hanging from this hat. I have waited a long time for this. A lot of people have waited a long time for this. This attraction has been so hyped up for the longest time. It has been memed into the ground, and today's the day we're actually getting to ride it. Now, I do want to say right off the bat that this is an annual pass holder preview. The attraction has not officially opened to the public. You needed to register for this event in advance, which we were lucky enough to do so. This is the very first day of annual pass holder previews for the VelociCoaster, so I'm really excited. Let's not waste any more time. Let's head on over there. What in the world? Did I miss something? Is there a cheer competition going on? What the heck? There's so many of them. Now, as I said earlier, you did have to pre-register for this event. So today is the very first day. My time to ride the VelociCoaster is going to start at 6. You have a 30-minute window to get in and ride the attraction and get out. Not entirely sure if they're going to be kicking us out after a certain amount of time over there. We're going to try and spend as much time in there as possible to get a lot of great shots for you guys on the VelociCoaster. So just wanted to say that in advance. And oh boy, you can already see the VelociCoaster is a very popular ride today amongst annual pass holders. There is a lot of people over there. Another thing that I wanted to know, holy cow, the traffic on I-4 was absolutely horrible. It normally takes me an hour and 15 minutes to get to Universal Studios from my house in Tampa, and today it took me just over 2 hours. The video that you're seeing now, that's not me slowing it down or editing it in any single way. That is really how slow I was going on I-4 today. Oh my god, it was bad. And yep, it does look like there is indeed a cheer competition going on at Universal Studios today. It's like toddlers and tiaras out here. It's crazy. Uh-oh, well, that's not a good sign. There's no one on that one. Oh dear. Honestly, the closer and closer I get to VelociCoaster, the more and more nervous I am. Oh my god. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love roller coasters, but that drop is what kills me. I don't like the dropping feeling. But I'm still excited though. I'm still gonna ride it. I'm gonna man up and I'm gonna ride it. I'm sure that the drop isn't as bad as it looks like some of the other rides that I've been on, but oh, it's going. You know, for as long as I've been coming to Universal Studios, not once have I ever stepped foot inside Camp Jurassic. We're gonna have to change that one day. I tell you guys what, it is a heat fest out here in Orlando today. I'm sweating like a cow in a raptor paddock. It is hot. So we have just about an hour until we are able to ride the VelociCoaster. So we're not able to head into that area yet. However, the bottom of the Discovery Center has been transformed into a bit of a gift shop area for the VelociCoaster. So let's head on down there and check that out. All right, this is very, very different. Not too long ago, you know, there were tables out here, and this was used as overflow for the Burger Digs restaurant. And now it's completely been converted into a gift shop. That's interesting. Huh. They got a lot more stuff over here too. I'm kind of digging this shirt. They were here first. I like that. You know, it's pretty hard to be scared of raptors when I learned not too long ago that, you know, in real life, raptors are about 1.5 feet tall. So, yeah. Apparently Jurassic Park got it wrong as far as velociraptors are concerned. However, they are still 7 feet long. So, I mean, in theory, if one's coming at you, you can still kick it across the room. I don't know, but still, I love these raptors. So also in the Discovery Center, we have the larger lockers available. If your stuff doesn't fit in a normal small locker, you can use some of these larger lockers as well. Whew, the area out front of the VelociCoaster entrance is a very popular area. They even have park security out here just in case they get any runners or something. I don't know. I'm sure there are a lot of people coming up and asking, hey, can I get into this without a reservation? The answer is probably no. All right, so we got let in a little early. It's 5:47 and we're heading on in. Oh my god, guys, it's finally happening. We're heading on in. Oh my god. I am beyond excited. This is absolutely incredible. The only thing that can make this better is if the coaster comes going through right now. Now. Nah. Doesn't look like we're getting lucky. We're ready. We're riding this thing. Oh my God, look at this. What a reveal, honestly. This plaza is so nice. Oh my God. Oh, I am not ready. Oh, I am not ready. Look at these guys. They had the entire train to themselves. They had the entire train to themselves. How lucky are those guys? What in the world? Oh my God, I can't. I'm so ready. And the biggest obstacle that we have to face now is the test seat. The test seat, oh, it's over there. Oh, I'm so nervous, guys. Everyone's excited. This is a momentous time for Universal Studios.
Innovative roller coaster and its unique design allows you to achieve top speeds for the ultimate Raptor close encounter. It includes sudden and dramatic acceleration, climbing, tilting, inversions, and dropping. You should expect extreme movements.
And in case you guys are wondering who was behind the camera filming that, it is thanks to my friend Barry and his wife. I'm sorry I didn't get your name? Maxine. Thank you guys so much for being my camera person over here. Since Coda could not be here today, I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Wow, these fans are absolutely massive and they feel incredible. But just look at the inside of this queue. That is insane. Oh, look at that. You can also see the statues that we had leaked a little while ago. That is awesome. What's actually really interesting about this queue is that you can keep your stuff with you throughout most of the queue. So that's really interesting. It's midway through the queue, they actually put your stuff in a locker.
Thanks to major advances in genetic engineering that we have, you are about to face these magnificent creatures in a way that you might have complex, comprehensive.
Oh my God. What the heck? That is unbelievable. That looks so flippin' real. Oh my God. What in the world? Alright guys, so something that is really cool is that the lockers are double-sided. So I'm going to put you guys on this end, and when I open it back up, I'm going to be someplace completely different. So that's really, really cool. I can't wait to ride this, guys. It's time to go. I'm excited. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm excited. Oh my God. As you guys can see though, completely different environment. That's really interesting.
The same ticket you use to store your loose items. Scan your ticket and follow the instructions on screen.
Oh, the pictures. I forgot about that. And with that, we're done. We exit through the gift shop. So where I was down here earlier, the VelociCoaster gift shop at the bottom of the Discovery Center. Wow. All I can say is, wow. I'm still kind of shaking from the ride. Like, you can't really see it right now, but I promise you I'm shaking a little bit from the ride still. That was absolutely insane. That was unlike anything I've ever been on before. I'm gonna save my full thoughts for an in-depth review. I need time to process it and everything, but all I can say is that was incredible. That was incredible. There's so much I want to say on it, but we're gonna save that for a whole nother video. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I screamed so much on that ride, I feel like I'm losing my voice. I need to drink some water to cleanse my throat. I screamed so much on that ride. Oh my God. I will say, as a bigger person, that ride was pretty flippin' uncomfortable. Let me tell you, my belly feels like it's bruised. Oddly enough, I feel like I fit more comfortably on Hagrid's than I do on VelociCoaster. And people have been saying that the VelociCoaster feels a bit more accommodating than Hagrid's. It's really weird. Also, my poor hat, it's so sweaty. There's not a dry spot on it. Oh Lord, it is sweaty. Alrighty, after some much needed relaxation time and a very delicious dinner at the Three Broomsticks, it's time for us to head on out of here. I'm tired. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like on the video. It really helps us out and helps the video get recommended to a lot more people out there. Let me know what you guys thought of today's video down in the comment section below. If you guys were here for the annual pass holder previews, let me know your experience with the VelociCoaster down in the comment section below. Let me know if you're excited to ride the VelociCoaster down in the comment section below as well. We have a lot more videos coming out regarding the VelociCoaster in the future. If you guys want to see how I fit in the test seat and the best ways to fit in said test seat, I'll leave a link up here in the corner to that video that we just posted yesterday so that you guys can check that out. We have a full in-depth review of the VelociCoaster coming out. Why am I blurry? We have a full in-depth review of the VelociCoaster coming out tomorrow, so please make sure you are subscribed to the channel and have that notification bell turned on so that way you don't miss that video when it drops tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. The official grand opening of the VelociCoaster is on June 10th. In the meantime, I'll be sure to let you guys know if there are any other soft opening opportunities for you guys to ride ahead of time before that official opening date. Thank you guys so much again for watching today's video. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.